Ever had that moment when you're about to place an order and think, what if something goes wrong with my parcel? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to get insurance on CNFans so your package stays protected from start to finish. First, open the CNFans app or website. Once you're in, look for the little headset icon. It's usually up in the corner. Tap on it. That opens the support or help search bar. In the search box, type the word insurance. Give it a second to load, and you'll see an option like, I want to buy insurance. Go ahead and select that. Now you'll be shown how the process works step by step. The first thing it asks you to choose is the type of item. You'll select Parcel. Once you click on Parcel, it brings up the option to add insurance. From there, the next step is simple. Click on Pay. As soon as you do, you'll see the insurance option included in the checkout. Just hit Confirm and Pay, and that attaches the insurance to your package instantly. And that's literally all it takes. No hunting through menus, no customer service wait times. Just a quick search, a few taps, and your order is covered. If you found this helpful and want more quick guides like this, stick around and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.